Generally, motor vehicle manufacturers and their suppliers owe consumers a duty of reasonable care when it comes to designing, manufacturing, and inspecting vehicles. But what about criminal acts that occur at the scene of a product failure? Do a manufacturer and a supplier owe a consumer a duty of care to protect them from such criminal acts? The Nebraska Supreme Court considered this question in Stahlecker v. Ford Motor Company. In the early morning of April 29, 2000, Amy Stahlecker was driving her parents' 1997 Ford Explorer in a remote area in eastern Nebraska. At the time, the Explorer was equipped with 4 Firestone Wilderness all-terrain radial tires. While driving, one of the tires failed, and the Explorer became inoperable, leaving Amy stranded. Richard Cook encountered Amy alone on the side of the road and assaulted and murdered her. Afterward, Cook was arrested, charged, and convicted of first-degree murder. Subsequently, Susan and Dale Stahlecker, Amy's parents and estate administrators, brought a wrongful death action against Ford and Firestone in state district court. They alleged that Ford and Firestone knew or should have known about the likelihood of criminal acts committed against persons stranded due to auto failures, and that Amy's murder was a direct result of the tire failure. In response, Ford and Firestone filed demurrers, arguing that the Stahleckers weren't entitled to relief because Cook's criminal acts weren't reasonably foreseeable. The court agreed and sustained the demurrers. The Stahleckers appealed to the Nebraska Supreme Court.